Hi guys, we are here, Western Island, Washington State.
Beautiful, honey.
My husband, he love the beach, he love nature. Here my grandson, my daughter say, Mommy. We all love nature. We love flower. We love the beach.
Nice. Wow. Yay! Beautiful. Tastesភាពស្អាតណាស់ផ្កាធម្មជាតិបងប្អូន
Bye guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.